fireball, but if you swallow it, it is sweeter than honey. I repeat, anger is like a fireball, but if you swallow it, it is sweeter than honey. Honorable Chief Guest, the undefeated President of India Islamic Culture Center, Mr. Sirajuddin Qureshi. Guest of honor, a beloved trainer, Munawar Zama sir, and all my dear classmates. Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to you all wonderful people. I am Abdullah Abdulaziz. I am from Hyderabad, India, but I am living with my family in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. I am studying 4th grade at IISR International Indian School, Riyadh. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Arabic Group of Institutions, Orient Taj Hotel, and English House Academy for imparting us the art of public speaking. Ladies and gentlemen, you and I and everybody today are looking for happiness. I have the secret of happiness. I have the mantra for happiness. People are often unreasonable and self-centered. Forgive them anyway. If you're kind, people may accuse you of ulterior motives. Be kind anyway. If you're honest and sincere, people may cheat you. Be honest anyway. If you find happiness, people may be jealous. Be happy anyway. The good you do today may be forgotten tomorrow. Do good anyway. Give the world the best you have, and it may never be enough. Give your best anyway. What you spend years creating, others may destroy overnight. Create anyway. For you, see, in the end, it is between you and God. It was never between you and them anyway. I end up my talk with the golden principle of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, which is indeed a true solution and a wonderful lesson for all of the mankind who wish to live happy and wish to stay happy. Whoever among you wakes up in the morning and is safe in his home in good health and has enough provision for the day, it is as if he has all the good things of the world. I repeat, whoever among you wakes up in the morning and is safe in his home in good health and has enough provision for the day, it is as if he has all the good things of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a tremendous pleasure to stand here today and address such an elite gathering. Believe me, I'm unable to believe myself that I have delivered a speech before one of the most dignified personalities of India, Mr. Sirajuddin Qureshi. Thank you, Zama sir, for training me and for grooming me and for making me a capable individual. Thank you, Shadi Adam sir. Thank you, Dr. Rafiq. Thank you, Arabic Group of Institutions. Thank you, Orient Taj Hotel, for all your support. Thank you so much. Love you all and have a wonderful evening.
आपके अब्बू जो है सऊदी अरेबिया से, वो उनकी अहलिया और 5 बच्चों को लेकर सिरा साहब 1 महीना यहाँ रहें और बहुत मेहनत से उनके वालिद ने अपने बच्चों को मोटिवेट करते रहें। और इस उम्र में बच्चा अगर ऐसा परफॉर्म करता है तो ये हिंदुस्तान का नहीं, ये वर्ल्ड का लीडर बन सकता है।
You have a wonderful opportunity. I believe you received him today as well, and you have another opportunity, right? Yes.
I'm going to say the quote of Dr. APJ Kalam. Difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. Let the difficulties know that you too are difficult.
Star Speaker Award goes to... A big round of applause for this little boy. May I ask Tariq Azam Sahab to honor this boy with the Star Speaker Award.